Happy Herbs Turmeric Cream. Finally, full paisa vasul, guys. I have made this zero effective product to work. Hello everyone, this is Ganga here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Happy Herbs by Shruthika. I have two videos earlier, okay? These are the two videos most loved in my channel. I know because you all love Shrutika and you guys are searching about happy herbs, right? So I decided to make one more video, but this video is quite different, okay? And these days, Shrutika has become more famous, right? She's in Cook with Komali. How many of you are watching Cook with Komali? Let me know in the comment box. I've been trying to watch, but I haven't, okay? I just watched her entry, which was very nice. And this turmeric cream never worked on my face, okay? I didn't see any difference at all. In fact, many of you ladies who have watched my earlier video said the same in my comment box. I felt relieved because you guys also felt the same, right? And I was not wrong. But I always find a way to use that product, okay? Because I never want my money to go for waste. Yay! So I tried a different camera angle. Okay. So I told you guys, right, that I'm going to show you the different other ways to use your not so useful turmeric cream, right? So let's talk about that, but not in this position. I will take you guys to a better place. So come with me, okay? And by the way, that is me and my husband. So, yeah, first thing, this Happy Herbs turmeric cream has got the main ingredient is turmeric, and it has got saffron extract, jojoba oil, cedar wood oil, patchouli oil, vetiver oil, virgin coconut oil, and glycerin. All these ingredients, almost every ingredients helps in treating pigmentation, okay, dark patches, discoloration, uneven skin tone. So anything related to this sort, this cream is going to help, but not your face. At least it didn't help my face at all. Nothing happened with my face, but I used it in the other ways. I'll tell you one by one. So number one, you can use this as a underarm lightening cream. Lightening is subjective, okay? It's up to you. If you want to lighten your underarms, it's up to you. Don't go with that trend where people say, do not talk about lightening or, brightening. It's up to you. So if you want to lighten your underarm, this is really good because this has got beautiful ingredients. This is really helping with your underarms, guys. I'm using it. Just that I can't show here in camera. I'm still not ready for that. But this is really helping with my underarms. What you can do is, every night, if you're wearing a sleeveless, well and good, you can apply this on your underarm. Just clean your underarms with wet tissue or water and apply this, okay? And give a gentle massage and go to bed every night. I'm sure within 1 week or 10 days, you will see little difference, okay? And if you cannot use it at the night, you can just put it as a mask for 20 minutes and wash it off every day. Just do this and tell me, okay? So number two, I'm using this as my foot cream. So foot cream in the sense I have very dry, feet, okay, foot. It is not cracked, but it's kind of dry, okay. So I use this in my dry, cracked area and I use the socks. That is very important. Otherwise, it's going to stain your bed, and let it be any foot cream. You have to wear a socks to get a better results. You use this, I'm sure you will love it. So third one, guys, very personal, but I've experienced it and I'm liking the results. Your inner thighs, okay? Inner thighs, most of the time it get, friction and it gets darker or hormonal thing, and it's okay to have a dark inner thighs. It's very natural, but this helps to lighten a little. Do not expect a drastic change. No, not with your inner thighs, but it's kind of lightening it. If you're a girl who is going to get married, or if you want to look more better with your personal things, this is the thing, okay? And the fourth way to use this is you can use for your knuckles. Knuckles is this, okay? You can see here, right? This is knuckles. So, during my pregnancy, I had this weird thing. All my knuckle area here got very dark and dry and itchy, okay? Started scratching also. Even now I have this area. You can see the color change. This area is still there, okay? I'm applying in this place, it's better. During pregnancy I had this problem, and especially during COVID we started using so much of hand wash, right? That also caused darkness in my knuckles. I started using this and I'm seeing light difference. And the fifth way to use our beautiful cream is to use it in your dark neck, okay? So hormonal changes, thyroid, pregnancy, feeding, PCOS, weight gain, weight loss, diabetes, lot of reasons to have a dark neck, okay? This will help you a bit externally. Internally you have to get treated, but externally, as this has got beautiful ingredients, this helps in lightening your dark neck. So try it. And the sixth way to use it is in your elbows. So this area is actually dark for many of us. We take care till here, but most of the people we forget here, right? Even I do. But it's better. You can compare to earlier. I use the same cream in my, elbows and give a gentle massage and leave it overnight, or I keep it as a pack and I use this way. So a seventh way, that is the last way, same like your elbows, your knees. Knees also, right? It is dark, guys, because of many reasons we don't treat it properly. But if you're worried about having a dark knees, we can just apply this again and give a gentle massage. I'm sure you will see the difference. So all the 7 ways are tried and tested by me. And if you girls are worried about this product lying somewhere, sorry. Okay, so try using all these ways and finish off that product, okay? Pooja Hegde, actress, she's been promoting Happy Herbs, Instagram. Happy Herbs is growing, guys. So they have very new different launches and different products. If you guys want me to purchase any new product and review it for you people, I will do that. Please put that in the comment box. And if you want to purchase any other product from any other brand also, I will do it for you people. 100% honest reviews from my side, okay? So thank you so much for watching my video. You can see now 2 different videos coming here. These are the most watched videos in my channel. So please go watch it. Don't wait. Please subscribe and stay connected with my family. Bye-bye.